If your laptop is getting hot, loud, or shutting down randomly, your fan is likely dirty. And today, I'll show you how to clean it safely without damaging anything. Nigeria's dusty environment plus heat equals laptop fans clog up faster than you think. And once the airflow is blocked, your laptop will overheat and slow down. Let me show you how to fix it properly. Step 1. First, turn off and unplug the laptop. Safety first. Remove the charger, shut down properly. Step 2. Use a soft brush for the vent. You don't have to open the laptop. Brush the vents gently. This alone removes 40% of the dust. Step 3. Use compressed air, if available. Spray short bursts through the vents. Don't hold down continuously. Never blow with your mouth. Moisture can damage components. Step 4. Clean the keyboard area. Dirt inside the keyboard reduces airflow below the motherboard. Step 5. For deep cleaning, remove the back cover. Only do this if you're confident. Unscrew, carefully lift back, cover, brush the fan, use short bursts of air. Don't spin the fan too fast, it can damage the bearings. Step 6. Reassemble and turn on. You'll notice instant reduction in heat and fan noise. If your laptop is still overheating after cleaning, bring it to Bemi Gadgets. We do full internal cleaning, replace thermal paste, and fix overheating issues. We also sell quality laptops that stay cool and fast.